This is just a 2-wire electrical system. There's nothing special about it. No extra light wire or anything. In fact, this fan doesn't even have a 3rd wire. Theoretically, that does mean that if you wanted to have the fan on a separate light switch than the light, you would have to add a 3rd wire. In this instance, that was okay though. No need to add wires. And this box is fan rated. Came that way from the house. These are not the original screws that the house came with to mount the fan with. These are replacements from Home Depot. It's the original one. I lost one. There you have it. The old fan is down. Can remove 52-inch SMC Emperor now. All wired in, grounded for safety. Ironically, the other one doesn't even have a ground wire. Maybe it got pulled out, maybe it didn't come with one. I'm not sure, but looks a little messy, but I assure you that it's safe. White to white, the black and the black stripe to black, and green to ground. Remember, we're going to use this globe. This is the one that came with it, so we're going to use it. This is the exact fan that was in my office with the same blades. And I know that these are the same because I picked out which 4 were the best out of the 8. And I misplaced the other 4, sadly. I don't know where they went, but I hope I find them. They were identical, and I misplaced the other mounting bracket. But anyway, let's put the globe on. See if we can get it. It's going to be it. The light mounting is a little lopsided, but you can barely tell. Alright, I turned the power on. Let's test it. Note that the little string that was attached to the light pole chain fell off, so there's nothing there now. Alright, switch is on. Let's see here. We'll do the light. Very nice. Very nice. Ain't much to fuck up. See if it wobbles. Yep. Even when it was installed in the office, it wobbled. I'm gonna have to get something so that the pull chains won't rub on the glass. But I can't imagine I'm gonna run it on high too frequently. Other than the pull chain noise, silent. Medium speed. I love Hunter fans, and the Summer Breeze, you really can't go wrong with them. They're great. And low. pull chains are very hard to pull. The low is always a little faster than I liked, but that's okay. A 52-inch fan will fit in here, but I think the 48-inch actually looks decent. That's actually the low speed right there. Now what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to prop the pull chains up and see if I can get it to run on high without any pull chain noise. Okay. Let's do a 0 to high, and yeah, the blades are a little bit droopy. Let's do a 0 to high. Spins up right. Damn it. That really didn't hold. Actually, what if I take... Oh, that's worse. There we go, let's try that. Globe's a little loose. Fix that. Where's it loose? Let's do a 0 to high one more time and see if pulling this little chain off fixed it. Perfect. That wobble doesn't bother me because it's secure. You saw me mount it. I'm not going to run it on high too often though. Beautiful. Can install 48-inch Hunter Summer Breeze ceiling fan now. My God, the amount of, and not even a full 52-inch, this blows more air than that Emperor did, and the Emperor's a 52-inch. That's the difference between an SMC and a Hunter. I may see if I can put that little... Oh, I lost the connector, so no, I won't. But anyways, we have now successfully installed one of the ceiling fans. Let's go install the other one.